Crea Worldwide has received a 40 lakh grant, if I'm not wrong. Talk to us about how your breathable yet hydrophobic PPE kit works and what is the innovation all about?
Yeah, thanks, Megha. So essentially, when the pandemic broke out, the first thought that came to our mind was the access to PPE. There was news all over that, we are running short of PPE. And as manufacturers, we realized that we do have options. But the primary concern in our head also was affordability, one, also considering India's weather, because pretty much all of imported PPEs are built for Western countries which have a different weather system. So the first thing that came to our mind was breathability. And that's what we've been essentially focusing on from day one. So I'm happy to report that we have, as of now, close to about 4 breathable solutions. 2 of them have already received DRDO approvals. We are already supplying to a lot of customers, hospitals, government hospitals.
All right, could you quickly tell us how have you priced your innovation, just for our understanding?
So essentially the parameter laid down by HLL is coveralls in the region of about 630 rupees. And again, pretty much all of our solutions are within that price range, starting from about 500 going up to about 650. So we are very well within the affordable price range as per government norms.
Okay. You are offering a suite of products to protect, the second line of defense, that is dentists, general practitioners, policemen who are working on ground, healthcare workers, of course, who are on the front line. Tell us more about this and how many and how soon do you plan to manufacture?
So essentially, when it comes to the risk profiles of all the people that you mentioned, everybody has a different risk profile. So the solution cannot be one size fits all. So we are coming up with various articles like face shields, face shield parkas for dentists, for police people, different variant of a parka and a face shield. So essentially our target is to bring out solutions ranging from 100 rupees to 600-700 rupees. And we are focusing a lot on reusability. And that's where Log9 also comes into play. And we are also, experimenting with various materials. And our whole aim is to be able to at least deliver about 500,000 units within the 6 months of various kinds of PPE.
Okay. Upkar, can you talk to us about what kind of dialogue are you having with them at this point? And what kind of mentorship are you getting thanks to this challenge?
Well, that was actually the first reason why we even applied for the Marico grant. Because if you look at the jury, it's got the most eminent scientists of the country. And if we really have to scale this innovation and actually mass produce it, we need that kind of mentorship.
Okay.
So, along the way, along the due diligence, our hand has been held, we've been probed, we've been helped. And as we speak right now, we are getting the kind of mentorship we expected.